Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you check out our website www.lexicallab.com and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can watch more of these as and when they become available. If you watched my last video, which I uploaded about 10 days ago, you might remember that I said I was feeling a bit frazzled because I'd been burning the candle at both ends of late and that I was in desperate need of a break. Well, I'm now back from that break. I had just over a week way out in the back of beyond, staying out in the sticks on the Isle of Mull off the west coast of Scotland. It was a really lovely, beautiful place to be. It was a wild, empty kind of place, a long way away from the nearest village or town. And basically there was very little to do up there apart from to go for long walks, to enjoy the countryside, do a bit of bird watching, go and look at the sea, cook, read, eat, sleep. It was really lovely, basically, to get away from it all. If you get away from it all, you go somewhere, usually on holiday, but it could be for a weekend or a long weekend, where you can completely relax and you can forget about all of your responsibilities and your problems. Maybe some of you, for example, go fishing, because I know a lot of people go fishing basically just to get away from it all. Or maybe you sometimes decide to go hiking up in the mountains, or you decide to just go to the beach for the weekend to get away from it all. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. Be sure to click the like button so that other people have more of a chance of seeing it. And in the comments section below, we'd love to hear about the last time you managed to get away from it all.